Thousands of tons of kinetic energy collided with biological armor.
The braking system was melting under the extreme friction. It wasn't going to be enough.
There was nowhere to go. Brace for impact!
400 tons of steel moving at 120 miles per hour, trying desperately to stop.
Because what lay across the tracks was not a fallen tree. It was a fallen nightmare.
In the battle between unstoppable machine and immovable monster, something has to break.
Three hours earlier, the Trans-Jungle Express 99 left the coastal city on schedule. For the 400 passengers on board, it was supposed to be a scenic and relaxing journey.
The track was clear. The automated systems showed no anomalies for the next 100 miles.
But the jungle around Sector 4 had been unusually quiet lately. The local wildlife had vanished.
Something apex, something ancient was on the move.
A minor power fluctuation on the sensors was the only warning they got.
Losing pressure. It's moving too fast.
Look outside. It's crushing everything.
It was moving purposefully, claiming the territory as its own.
A living, breathing roadblock, weighing over 50 tons. Blind curves in the jungle leave zero reaction time.
At 120 miles per hour, half a mile disappears in 15 seconds.
The emergency brakes engaged, dumping sand onto the rails for grip. But momentum is a cruel master. The beast, undisturbed by modern machines, simply turned to face the noise.
The braking system was melting under the extreme friction. It wasn't going to be enough.
There was nowhere to go. Brace for impact!
Thousands of tons of kinetic energy collided with biological armor. The monster did not flee. It fought back. The metal beast was stopped dead in its tracks. But the organic beast was furious. sheer size of the creature blocked out the sun.
The engineer knew he had to distract it, or everyone in the front car would die.
A desperate, blinding shot in the dark.
The intense heat of the flare forced the beast to retreat. Power lines severed. The train went completely dark.
Bleeding but undefeated, the apex predator returned to its domain. They survived the crossing, but the terror was etched into their minds.
The jungle had delivered a terrifying message.
The military arrived within the hour to secure the disaster zone.
Go! 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 Secure the perimeter!
Within hours, the area was locked down in absolute secrecy.
The physical evidence left behind was undeniable, but it defied all modern biology. The creature had vanished into the deep water channels that connect directly to the ocean.
Search teams found a path of destruction underwater, leading to a massive submerged cave system. They quickly realized the beast wasn't hiding. It was luring them in.
The river was quarantined. It was no longer a transport route. It was a war zone.
Sonar networks pinged constantly, waiting for the monster to resurface.
But the beast was smart. It was heading to the open ocean, where it could not be tracked.
But those who were there know the truth. The apex predator of the ancient world is swimming free,
And it is very, very hungry.
That was absolutely terrifying. The sheer power to stop a bullet train dead in its tracks is hard to comprehend. No landing!
Do you think the military can hunt it down in the open ocean? Subscribe to Rising Story USA to find out in episode 2. We have to tell the real story.